Now, as far as what you and I can do about bringing justice for Ahmaud, we're a little bit restricted right now. We can't go marching down the street. Why? Because we're in the middle of a pandemic. Today, we're talking about the tragic murder, lynching of Ahmaud Arbery, the issues surrounding this case, the impact of that video, and what you can do to help bring about justice for Ahmaud. Hi, my name is Kavana. Welcome to Wrecked to Redeemed, where we confront the complex realities of racism and faith. And if that's your type of thing, if that interests you, please consider subscribing. Now, I want to jump in with number one. The first issue surrounding this case is the claim that this father and son lynch mob duo acted within their rights to perform a citizen's arrest. This is problematic for many reasons. A citizen's arrest does not include deadly force or any weapon. The point of having a citizen's arrest is to detain the wrongdoer until the police arrive. What Gregory McMichael and Travis McMichael decided to do was to bring their shotgun and magnum and pursue Ahmaud as he was jogging by. Now, the second issue in this case is that law enforcement had in their possession this video that you and I have seen, and even with that evidence, they did not pursue an arrest. It wasn't until that video was released, made public, and there was backlash, outcry, everything. It wasn't until that was released that anything moved in this case.
Hey, okay, yes, I know this is weird, okay, we're switching scenes and whatnot, but your girl forgot a few points in this argument. Forgive me. Now, if you hear anybody in the background, it's my kids and my husband, so I'm sorry if you hear anything. Number three, the third issue in this case is that there is the belief that the son, Travis McMichael, was defending himself when he was attacked by Ahmaud. It doesn't matter the elements of the situation that are present. It is always an expectation, especially for a black person, to do as they are told. In this situation, a lot of the arguments on social media is that he should have just listened.
They just asked him to stop and that they wanted to talk to him, so what was the problem?
Now let's really think about this. Two men with a shotgun and a .357 say they want to talk to you. They're not in any type of uniform. They're not even police. These are citizens. They're telling you that they want to talk to me about what? Something wrong is happening to me, and I'm not going to stand for this. The fourth thing that is an issue in this case is the fact that the DA even found that it was appropriate to mention Ahmaud's criminal past. If you are a person who looked at Ahmaud's situation and thought to yourself,
oh, he's a criminal, therefore, yeah, he definitely did it, then obviously they were on the right track and got the right person.
The only thing that was relevant in this case was that he was a black man jogging. Back to Miami.
Now, if you are as heartbroken and infuriated as I am about this case, write hashtag justice for Ahmaud in the comment section below. When it comes to the video of his tragic, heart-wrenching murder, I know that there are a lot of mixed feelings about it. I know that there are some who believe that it's becoming too normal seeing black death, and also the fact that the family has to relive this trauma by it being out on the internet, all over social media, and I can understand that sentiment. However, there was a great thing that came out of this, because just like I said, there was no movement on this case since it happened in February, on February 23rd. But because of the outrage, now the father and son lynch mob duo has been arrested. Now, if you're finding this video informative, helpful, please consider subscribing. That's what we do here. Yes. Now, as far as what you and I can do about bringing justice for Ahmaud, we're a little bit restricted right now. We can't go marching down the street. Why? Because we're in the middle of a pandemic, okay? But what we do have is our voice on social media, via email, calls, to be able to put pressure on the governor of Georgia.
Also, I meant to say to contact the district attorney office. They are the ones handling the case now and handling it moving forward. They're the prosecutor. So hit them up, do that thing, do what you can in that. So yeah.
And now you may be wondering, well, Kavana, why do we need to do that? They've already been arrested. What else is there to do? Well, they still have to be indicted. And then after they're indicted, they still have to go to trial. This cannot fall through the cracks, people. We're going to do it. We're going to do what we can. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. I'm actually going to be posting 2 videos. One addressing these protesters in Michigan protesting the stay-at-home orders. And also another video discussing how Ahmaud and so many before him are more like Christ than I personally didn't realize until recently. It's in a way that you may not think. So be sure to subscribe to hear those perspectives, and I will see you all soon. Bye.